Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Concours 14. This hypersport touring just arrived with only 20,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got a Puig custom windscreen, handlebar risers, and wait till you hear that exhaust system. Brand new tires. And this bike comes with locking side cases, color matched. It's got the rear luggage rack, shaft drive, heated grips. This bike is a touring tour de force. Come on by and make your Concours dreams come true for just $99.99. We have finance and we have extended warranty. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.